7.
Hi guys, how are you? I'm back with a new video, and hope everybody is fine. Thanks for always supporting me. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share with your friends. So I'm back with a new video, and this video was requested by 2 of my subscribers. All my subscribers are beautiful and handsome. If you're a guy, then you're handsome. And this video was asked by 2 pretty ladies. So they asked me how to make their hair soft, and I'm here to tell you, or to tell you what I know to make your hair soft. I've done my research, so I'm here to tell you how to make your hair soft, and I've also tried some of these tips that I'm going to give you guys to make your hair soft. So first of all, you can do avocado and banana hair mask. This helps very much to soften your hair. The banana helps to reduce split ends, and helps to how do we call it, and add elasticity to your locks. And also you can do avocado and egg yolk mask. That one too helps a lot. So when you do this mask, the avocado and egg yolk, you don't have to wash your hair with how do we call it, hot water, or else the yolk will cook in your hair. You have to wash your hair with cold, warm water, so that the hair won't cook in your hair. And doing all these marks, you have to, after applying the avocado and avocado, banana, or avocado and egg yolk in your hair, on your hair, you have to wait for at least 30 minutes. Cover it with a plastic cap or plastic, anything you will get to add heat and allow the mask to penetrate in your strands, your hair. So you have to wait so that it can penetrate in your hair, yeah. And also you can prepare a mayonnaise mask, yeah. And in this mask you don't have to add egg or you don't have to add egg or oil, but oil you can add, like olive oil. You can add olive oil because I've tried that before. You don't have to add egg into the mayonnaise, because at least I don't do it, because mayonnaise is already made of egg, so you don't have to add egg to it again. But everyone and his or her method of doing it, but I will advise you not to add egg to it. So mayonnaise also helps to soften your hair. I have tried that before. I tried it when I removed my braids, yeah. I put mayonnaise on it to do my hair marks, yeah. And also you can use aloe vera on your hair. Aloe vera also helps to soften your hair and soften the hair and slicks, yeah. aloe vera is very good for your hair. It helps the hair to grow and it gives strength to your hair. So you can do aloe vera max too. So, and you can only use egg also to do the max. To that one will be like protein treatment, and it helps the hair. Yeah. So guys, also yeah, I was like, when this subscriber of mine asked, I also told her to do hot oil treatment. Yeah, and for the hot oil you can use any oil you want, like olive oil, coconut oil, you can mix some lavender oil, peppermint oil, how do we call it, peppermint oil, tea tree oil, and also if you want you can also mix Jamaican black castor oil, and you can heat these oils, apply it on your hair, on your scalps, on the tips of your hair, and then cover it with a plastic bag and let it sit for at least 30 minutes before you go and rinse it out with a shampoo. And guys, also you can do this oil at night and let it sit on your hair to sleep and wash it the next morning. Yeah. And what else? You can also do you can rinse your hair with apple cider vinegar. That one to also help your hair a lot. Apple cider vinegar is also good for dandruff. If you have dandruff in your hair, it helps to reduce it. Yeah. So guys, that's all for today, and if I do other research, I will let you guys know. Thanks for asking for this video, and please try all these tips. It may help you, or if it doesn't help you, try other things. It may help soften your hair, because maybe what is good for my hair is not good for your hair. So thanks for subscribing. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share with your friends. Comment on what video you guys would like to see, and have a blessed day, weekend, and yeah, love you guys. May God bless you all. See you in my next video. Bye. Lots of kisses.
So make it possible. All the tears up in your eyes, I go kiss them all. I know that.